lunchtime. I'm hungry. Are you guys hungry?
I'm so hungry.
Shall we? Hangry. I mean, we do have a hangry sign right here, so I am always hangry. I think let's go make some pizza.
I think so. I love it. Yes.
Pizza time. Today we have partnered with Walmart using their free curbside pickup for groceries to make pizza. Okay, so Rachel, you have the pizza that we made?
We have some beautiful pizza dough here. I mean, it makes 3. We're definitely going to make 3, but for now, 1, I think.
Yes, we'll start with 1.
Yeah, exactly.
And super easy pizza recipe. It's on eitanbernath.com. Pizza montage! For the new apartment, I of course need to get a brand new pizza stone from Walmart, of course. Pizza stones really transform your pizza. They are super affordable at Walmart, and it will take your pizza to the next level using the oven you already have. Let's do 450. Get that screaming hot so you get that delicious, beautiful pizza crust.
Tomato sauce, extremely important with pizza, would you not say?
I would agree.
Absolutely. We are using the Mainstay ceramic non-stick cookware. Do you cook a lot with non-stick?
I mean, it's definitely helpful when you want your food to not stick to the pan.
Hey, genius, man, genius. Very good.
Bam!
Very
Good branding for non-stick.
Exactly.
Yes.
I also really love it because if you're newer in the kitchen, it can be really nice. Just no muss, no fuss. You don't have to worry about it. Nothing will go wrong. It's also super, super easy to clean. I ain't got time for nothing on those
I don't like
dishes.
cleaning.
I am not here for that.
Well, rinse and white.
Exactly. Call it a day and we're done.
All right, homemade pizza is great, but sometimes you also want to buy pizza. So what's your favorite pizza, Olivia, to order?
I really like hot honey and pepperoni.
Ooh!
A slice you can get at Polly G's. You should go to the location in Great Point in Brooklyn.
For me, I also do a little spice. I do pepperoni, jalapenos, pineapple. I do understand. Hear me out. Hear me out, though.
Controversial.
I have never indulged in the horrors of pineapple on pizza, but
Sir, the door is over there.
one day I may.
You can leave.
Now I have my HomeFavor Perforated pizza peel. Pizza peel is a great purchase to get. They're super affordable at Walmart, and these little holes in there make it that your pizza doesn't suction to it, so you can easily slide the pizza on and off right onto the pizza stone.
All right, fun fact, adding a little bit of honey adds some sweetness and balances out the acid of the tomato sauce.
All right, now I'm gonna grab some of Rachel's homemade tomato sauce, and we're just going to place that right on there, and we're just going to use our ladle to spread it out, making sure to leave a crust. Let's now take our beautifully grated cheese that Olivia grated, and we're going to top it over. Now, this is what I'm thinking, guys. I'm thinking we should combine our 3 favorite pizza toppings
Oh, I
all
love that.
together. Grab some onions over here.
You're a fan of onions.
Yes.
Want a little bit, just a tad. Well, there's no backseat shoving here. It's just a beautiful
We're gonna
arrangement.
ignore the mushroom I dropped on the floor.
What mushroom?
This is just for make sure it's not poisonous.
Make sure, yeah, please.
Yeah. Poison check is huge here.
No, get that out.
Let's head and see it. Our pizza stone is nice and hot. We're just going to very carefully slide that right off. Look how easy it made that process. Close the oven. We're going to bake that, get a crispy crust, cheesy cheese, and delicious toppings. Beautiful. Of course, we have to top it off with some grated pecorino romano all over the top, because why not? As you can see when I'm cutting it, and then very important, the bottom has a beautiful crust.
I know, right?
Rachel, oh my God, Rachel, the sauce is so good.
Oh my God. Well, personally, I really have to go for the one with banana peppers. You're gonna find the one with the most.
I'm gonna go for
Onion?
I'm gonna try to get a little onion.
That's
I'm not
so
gonna
hot.
take half the pie, which is what I really want to do.
I know, in my heart.
Oh my God, I love the sauce.
And the crunch.
Ooh, it's hot. It's so good.
I love it. Oh yeah, pizza.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my God, that's so, the sauce is like. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Be sure to check out Walmart's curbside pickup and get all the different things that'll be linked down below that we use in this video. If you haven't already, be sure to
Hit the follow button.
subscribe button, similar.
Subscribe, that's the one.
Comment down below what is your favorite pizza topping. We want to hear. We will be responding to your comments. And if you haven't already, be sure to go make yourself some pizza and eat it. Bye.
Bye, guys.